Welcome to GlideX RV, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the latest products in 2025. Stay tuned as we explore one of the finest luxury sedans of the year, the 2025 Audi A8. The Audi A8 continues to define the full-size luxury sedan segment with its signature blend of sophistication, comfort, and technology. It delivers everything you'd expect from a high-end sedan, including a spacious and quiet interior, refined styling, and a well-balanced chassis. While it may not be as flashy or attention-grabbing as some of its key rivals, like the BMW 7 Series or Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the A8 holds its own with a sleek design and a strong value proposition. Under the hood, the A8 is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 producing 335 horsepower, supported by a 48-volt hybrid assist system. While this setup ensures smooth acceleration and a quiet ride, competitors like BMW and Mercedes offer slightly more powerful six-cylinder options. However, the A8 remains quick on its feet, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds, which is impressive for a sedan of its class. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring a confident and stable driving experience in various road conditions. For 2025, the A8 lineup receives several updates, both in terms of aesthetics and features. The Black Optic package now comes with striking new 21-inch, double-spoke wheels in a bicolor finish, complementing the black brake calipers and blackout exterior trim. Additionally, Audi has made dynamic all-wheel steering a standard feature on the luxury package, improving maneuverability and high-speed stability. Inside, the use of premium leather has expanded, now covering the top of the dashboard and door panels for an even more luxurious feel. The executive package has also been enhanced for 2025, now including Valcona leather upholstery, heated rear seats, a head-up display, and HD matrix design LED headlight. These upgrades further elevate the A8's comfort and technology, ensuring a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. Speaking of comfort, the A8 continues to excel in providing an exceptionally spacious and refined cabin. Its long wheelbase guarantees generous legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys feel effortless. The standard seating layout accommodates 5 passengers, but for those who prefer a more exclusive experience, Audi offers an optional 4-passenger configuration. This package transforms the rear seats into a luxurious lounge with power-adjustable, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, as well as a unique heated foot massage function. Rear passengers also get individual entertainment tablets, providing a personalized entertainment experience on the go. As expected from a flagship luxury sedan, the A8 is packed with cutting-edge technology. Audi's Virtual Cockpit digital gauge cluster offers a fully customizable display, while the MMI infotainment system features a dual touchscreen setup with haptic feedback for intuitive control. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system, come standard, making every drive safer and more convenient. Despite offering a premium experience comparable to its European rivals, the 2025 Audi A8 comes at a significantly lower base price, starting at $93,295. This makes it an attractive option for those seeking a luxury sedan that delivers exceptional quality without an excessive price tag. With its refined design, powerful yet efficient drivetrain, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Audi A8 remains a top contender in the full-size luxury sedan market. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, this sedan ensures a comfortable, high-tech, and sophisticated ride. If you want to stay updated on the latest reviews, specs, and features of 2025's most exciting products, be sure to subscribe to GlideX RV. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Audi A8.